I am so going to pull the fire alarm. Ha 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 ha.
For real? Classic Caillou, don't even think about that. Only use that if there is an emergency relating a fire. Currently nothing like that is happening.
Yes! Here I go.
Classic Caillou, don't you ever do that again. I just so happened to stop you this one time.
Fine.
Wow. Now Classic Caillou, I seriously cannot even believe you decide to do something like that just for fun. But for Abadi-g4h, that was just great how you immediately stopped him. Thank you for this legendary act. Yeah. No problem.
Hi there, Abadi-g4h. You are now ungrounded for stopping Classic Caillou from pulling the fire alarm. Thank you.
Yay, no problem.